Right. Good morning, everyone. Yeah. What we are discussing last class? Yeah. Tell me, in our full stack Java, how many modules are there? Yeah. You are going previous pages. Come on. How many modules are there in full stack Java? Online students, can you hear me? Online students. Yep. Come on. Everyone should reply. Online students also use chat window. You must reply. Tell me, how many modules are there in full stack Java development? Five modules. Among them, which module are meant for developing the programs? Java module, backend. Which module we use for developing front end? UI. Next, which module we use for storing data? Database. Which module we will use for building, deploying, testing, sharing? DevSecOps modules. Okay. Next, which module we will use for running our project? Come on. Which module we use for running our project? AWS module. Okay. Slowly you have to answer. Okay. Every day, given notes you have to read. Remember, as many points as possible you must tell in the next class. So you all people are here for joining IT job. You want to get IT job. For getting IT job, if you are silent, then you cannot talk in the interview room. You will not get job. Yes or no? You have to habituate speaking also, na? Okay, you are not going for Mookie drama job, right? Are you going for Mookie drama job? Silent job with only face and eyes expressions, head movement only. That kind of job you are going? No. You are going to IT company, IT interview. First round, you have to use your brain, eyes, mouth, and hand. Okay. In the second round, you have to compulsory speak. Okay, the question you should understand, you should analyze that question, and you have to speak. So if you don't practice speaking in the class, I cannot correct your mistakes. Whether you are telling right or wrong, or how do I know? If you are keep giving answers, when you are giving wrong answer, I will correct your answers so that you will understand what is the right way to speak to impress the interviewer to get the job. Yes or no? So if you are not speaking, if you are silent in the class, then I cannot know whether you are saying right or wrong. You don't know also right or wrong. And you cannot build the confidence to speak, even though right answer, right correctly, confidently. You know, interviewer sometimes will ignore your wrong answer, but he will consider your confidence in giving answer. So wrong answers giving time also you should have confidence. Yes, my answer is right. Okay, so that's why start speaking, habituate speaking in the class. If you sit silently, you are going to face so many difficulties in the coming classes. Okay, come on. So we are not learning Telugu Hindi lessons. We are learning chapters. Chapters means yesterday topic will be used next day. Next day topic will be used further day. So every day we are going to use the topics. That's why please try to reply in the class. As much remember that much. Okay. Now Java full stack Java content totally how many modules? 5 modules. All these 5 modules. By using all these 5 modules, we are developing application. What type of application we are developing? Are we here developing standalone application or internet application? Internet application. Okay. A internet application meant for what? Developing one business. Okay. One company business operations we want to perform by a computer through network. Okay. If software is not there, a company business can be run only in one gully, one street, only one place, one colony. If that business is implemented by using software and published on the World Wide Web, that business can be accessible throughout the world. Yes or no? For example, you wanted to, you wanted to book a ticket. Okay. Olden days, if you want to book ticket, railway ticket, if you want to book, you must go to railway station and you have to stand in the big queue. If you want to book Tatkal ticket reservation, okay, early morning, my friends used to go to railway station early morning, 5 o'clock, and they standing on the line. Okay, now the cashier, the ticket issue person will come slowly around say at 6 o'clock. 1 hour they are used to stand in that line only. But now are you going to railway station? No. Why? Because we have a software called what? irctc.com. Okay, the website is a launch. The project is developed, deployed on World Wide Web, and we are allowed to access within the India anywhere, and we can book the tickets. So tell me, from our home, we are able to access the railway business. Happily, we are booking the tickets. So now what type of applications are meant for developing by using Java? Internet application. Because this internet application is meant for developing one enterprise or one company application. One enterprise or one company application. That's why that internet application is called what? Enterprise application. What we call? Enterprise application. So tell me, Java programming language or full stack Java development is used for developing what type of application? Enterprise application. That enterprise application, generally it will be a internet application. Next, tell me, every enterprise application background may require some time. Enterprise application background required, sometime data analyzation required, data processing is required. That data analyzation and data processing purpose, we will use background Python. So Python is used for developing AI tools and used for developing data analyzation, data science, machine learning applications. So front-end screens, application front end and business logic you develop by using Java, and in the application if required any data analyzation, we will use Python. So this is the division. That's what we completed up to now in the last 3-4 classes. Now yesterday we have started one important topic called Introduction to Java. As part of Introduction to Java, the first point we have discussed what is Java. Tell me, what is Java? Java is a platform independent object oriented programming language. Why Java is invented? Java is invented for achieving platform independency. Why you need a platform independency when C and C++ doesn't require platform independency? Why Java required platform independency? For developing internet applications. Why internet application required platform independency? Now today we will first understand what is internet application, then we will go for what is a platform, what is a platform dependency, what is platform independency, why C++ programs are platform dependent, how Java achieved platform independency. These are topics we have to learn in today's class. Everyone got clarity? The agenda of today's class is understanding standalone application, internet application, platform, platform dependency, platform independency, and giving conclusion why Java required platform independency, why C and C++ programming language doesn't require platform independency. These are the points we have to learn in today's class. Okay. Yesterday, have you written any notes part? Up to what is Java, why Java, who invented Java, completed, right? Did you write what is standalone application? No, right? Yeah, I think yesterday I explained what is standalone application. Can you recollect? Even though I didn't give notes, recollect what is standalone application? An application that is available in one computer and it can be accessible, executable only within the same computer is called what? Standalone application. And tell me, all available softwares or projects or applications, any of the three words, are broadly divided into how many types? 2 types. What are the 2 types? Standalone applications and internet application. What is standalone application? An application that is installed in one computer and can be accessible only within this computer, cannot be accessible from Other computers, other means what? Cannot be accessible from remote. Remote means the computers which is available for, okay, accessible from remote computers via network is called what? Standalone application. For example, calculator, MS Office, antivirus, VLC media player are all what? Standalone application. Tell me, I have installed antivirus in my computer. Can you use my computer install antivirus to scan virus in your computer? Not possible. So antivirus is called what application? Standalone. Some game softwares you install in your system. Some game softwares installed in your system are also what? Standalone application. Sir, I have access some game softwares without installing in my computer, sir. Then what that game software? That is internet game software. Okay, there are two game softwares are there, standalone and internet. If you install in your hard disk, that's it. It is what? Game. I mean, it is what? Standalone. Without installing from the browser you are accessing, then what is it? Internet. Simple calculation. Okay, right on these points. This terminology, if there in your brain, then you can easily understand Java. Java is such an easy programming language. So easy programming language. Java is a very easy programming language. People have made it as difficult because wrongly thought, wrongly learned, wrongly taught. So Java is such an easy programming language. We are going step by step. Yeah, tomorrow is a holiday. Next class is on Monday. Tomorrow is the first Saturday of your course. Generally, first Saturday will be weekend holiday. What do you call homesick holiday? Okay. So just started a course. So what is happening, what is not happening, understand, not understanding, some analyzation purpose for you to settle yourself. So we give first Saturday holiday, every Saturday not holiday, only first Saturday holiday. Tomorrow is holiday, next class is on Monday as usual at 7, what is the time? 7:20, not 7:30. If you kept 7:30 as time and you are coming by 7:40. So class timing is 7:20. So next week we are entering into programming and also into logical programming. Okay. So in your batch, first I want to cover logical programming, then I will cover object oriented program, because more interviewers are nowadays more focusing on logical programming, scenario based questions they're asking. So first I want to complete logical programming in your batch, like data types, operators, control flow statements, arrays, searching, sorting algorithms. First I want to complete logical programming, then I will start object oriented programming, then Java library. Can you give me 1 minute? I'll show you the syllabus of core Java. Actually, I didn't go through the syllabus of core Java. I gave you syllabus of full stack Java. This is the syllabus of core Java. Core Java with project development. During core Java, related chapters completed, we will develop combining small projects. Okay. By end of core Java, we are also developing one project using collections by your own. You will come to that stage. I divided my textbook. I have written my own core Java textbook. I am not following any person's textbook because I am a software engineer and academic trainer both. So I have created core Java syllabus and I have created core Java textbook by myself. And the chapter headings, what I am saying, some of the chapter headings you will not see anywhere. In any textbook or even in the Google also you will not find. So some different words I created. Volume 1 and volume 2, two textbooks I created. Volume 1 textbook contains Java language, object-oriented programming and logical programming. So by the time volume 1 textbook completed, you will get full-fledged Java programmer. With this knowledge, you can write programs of any programming language. What is my style of teaching? What is your style of learning? Programming by using Java language or any language. What is our target? Learning by using only Java? No. We will learn programming. But to write the program, we need one language. That's why we are using Java. So always our approach will be to the programming, not to the Java. While learning classes, you never feel you are learning Java. You will feel that, okay, I am learning program. In childhood, your mother teach you, your mother taught you how to eat food, how to eat dal food. What your mother taught you? Particular food. Your father taught you how to ride a cycle, a particular cycle. By learning that cycle, you can ride any cycle. In future, sports cycle, normal cycle, gear cycle, any cycle you can ride. Right or wrong? You learned everything in your life by taking one example, by taking one concept as example, but you are not learning that particular. For example, in childhood, you learn writing, but not writing by using particular pen. How to use a particular pen you didn't learn. You learn how to write, how to read. So I am also following same childhood pattern. What is that? I will teach you programming by using any language. But while writing, I have to use one language. That's why I'm using Java syntaxes. Then why Java, sir? Because Java has more jobs and security job. Once you get job, your life will be settled fully. Never look back. You never worry about what is happening in the company, recession or no recession or least bother. Every language has a recession, but Java never have recession. Okay. So that's why Java is very, very important. I will teach programming by using any language. After you digest the concept, if I want to program, this concept is required. This is the way you have to understand this concept. Then how to develop this concept in Java? My concept is always object-oriented programming. First I will teach. Then I will apply Java syntaxes. Logical programming, first I will teach. Then I apply Java syntaxes. Then tell me, if your company required to develop object-oriented programming concept by using Java, by using Python, tell me, in place of Java, what you are placing? Python. But the concepts are what? Same. Java logical programming you want to develop means adding, subtracting, division, finding palindrome number, that number, this number. Tell me, you learn already what is a palindrome number. That is logical programming. Then to implement, use Java. Then your company asking use a Python. Remove Java and bring and apply what? Python syntaxes. Tell me, to learn Python syntaxes, how much time it will take? Maximum 1 week to the Java developers. Are you following? So what is our approach of learning? We never learn Java directly. First we are learning concept. After you understand concept, then we are applying what you call Java. For example, in last class we learned Java project architecture. Project architecture. Then Java language, apply Java. Python language, apply Python. .NET language, apply .NET. Every language architecture is what? Same. Every programming language project architecture is same. What is that? UI, programming, database. It's a fixed architecture. So I taught you project architecture. Then I told you one statement. If you develop programs by using Java, then it is a Java project architecture. If you develop programs by using .NET, it is a .NET project architecture. If you develop programs by using Python, it is a Python program architecture. Are you following my point? So we are learning in a systematic way. That's why learning Java from me is very, very simple. First we are learning now currently introduction to Java. Then we are learning comments, Java tokens, working with Edit Plus. Edit Plus or Eclipse, it's your wish. If you want me to start with Edit Plus, I'll start. Or you want me to directly go for Eclipse, I'll go for Eclipse. Language fundamentals and building logic, data types, reading runtime values. Then we go for operators, control flow statements, arrays. By these 9 chapters completed, what is completed? Java language fundamentals and logical programming completed. Okay, from here onwards, from this 9th chapter completed onwards, we will start also working with HackerRank and LeetCode. I told you na, in your batch we are working with HackerRank and LeetCode also. All right, you should be very active, but you are very, very dull in the class. If you are not active, I cannot take you that much level. See, you are at 0 level. Now I am pulling you to the Everest. If you are getting fear, oh, I don't come, what I can do? I am there. I am telling you, I am protecting you. So I am there to take you to the peak levels and from there sending you to the further levels. Okay, you want to come into the ocean. Tell me, everybody getting fear to go into ocean, but the fisherman is going into ocean or not? Even it's a big cyclone is there also, if a government allow them, they will go inside. Safely they will come out. Why? Because they learn the skill how to balance the boat while big waves are coming. That talent I have, that skill I have. Okay, believe me, happily sit behind me in my boat. I will take you. But only thing is, you should also support me. Whenever I ask you, Babu, now boat has to balance, move to right side, you should move to right side. When I say move to left side, you have to move to left side. That's what I am asking. If you are silently sitting on the statue like watching me, then you cannot come with me. That's why habituate, from the first class only habituate, reply, speak out. Okay, if you don't speak, you will face problem. So these are 9 topics. Okay, these topics is Java language concepts. Okay, and here onwards you are going to learn, of course, from here onwards you are going to learn logical programming by using Java. Okay, and from 10th topic to all these are comes under what? Object up to Java 8 new feature. These all object oriented programming features. Okay, these all object oriented programming. Okay, object oriented programming basics, class, object instance, variable, method, JVM architecture, binding fields, pass by value, different ways of initializing object, constructor, block, static members, non-static members, illegal forward reference, compiler adding changes. Listen, whenever I am covering the chapter JVM architecture and static members and non-static members, their execution flow, these 3 chapters, 100% single class also don't miss. JVM architecture, static members, non-static members. These 3 chapters, if you miss, 100% you will fail in the interview. All your senior students who are attended Java from my classes, they 100% pass in every written test exam. And I 100% assure to the students, 100% you will get passed in the written test exam because of these 3 chapters. These 3 chapters play important role in your written test exam. Are you following? Right? Then next, no sir, I want also pass the 2nd round, 3rd round and project manager round. I want to be very happy in the company work project development. Then what you have to do? Speak in the class, and when I am covering this architecture, I invented my own architecture called LCRP architecture. I prepared by myself. Okay, by combining all WOOP concepts as a one project I developed called LCRP architecture. When I am covering this LCRP architecture, if you don't miss, then 100% assure you will pass 2nd round, 3rd round, 4th round, and in the company also you will be happily develop any given task. So totally 4 chapters play important role in your life. JVM architecture, static members under execution flow, non-static members under execution flow, and LCRP architecture. Don't miss these topics. Then by combining all these topics, we are developing a sample project on object-oriented programming and logical programming. Tell me, at every stage we are developing projects, small mini projects. Then tell me, will you have any fear of handling the project in the company? By the time our course completed, join in the office, you are developing second project. So that you never face problem in the company. Believe me, and try to reply in the class every day and practice every day what I am explaining. Then the most important feature, Java 8 features I am going to cover, and the other features also I am covering: annotation, enum, annotation, record, sealed and hidden classes. Okay, and next, packages working with Java 9 version module system and JShell. Java 9 version module system, people still not teaching in Amirpet. Of course, not even learning by the Java people also. Why? Because up to now, companies are using only Java 8 new features. Slowly, companies are moving to the next versions. So it's the time you have to learn Java 9 version module system also. And then Java API level, volume 2. By this 37 topics completed, by this time 37 topics completed, you will be very strong in Java language, object-oriented programming, logical programming. Any given program you can analyze, give the correct answer. Any given scenario program you can develop the logic. And every code you write, every class, every variable, every method you will write at the standards of company projects, not at Amirpet standards. Okay, when last week one student attended interview. The way he written the question, program, scenario based program, interviewer has asked the question, are you working employee? He was attending interview as a fresher, but the person interviewer asked the question, are you working employee? Then this candidate, my student smiled, no sir, I am experienced fresher. What is the meaning of experienced fresher? Already experienced project how to develop, na? But you never work in the company. Because you never work in the company, you are called fresher. Because already you know how to write the code, you are called what? Experienced. So I will teach you exactly like how the companies are developing projects. Our classes are exactly replica of the companies. As part of Java projects, Java API library and project development is volume. API documentation, fundamental classes, wrapper classes, exception handling, multi-threading, string handling, IO streams, collections framework, generics and stream API. And finally, if you are all okay, if you give me time, I will teach you MVC architecture based final project by using pure core Java. By the last coming, if you have patience, still continue to develop project, I will explain you that also. It's all depends on you. Then generally people ask me, sir, will you cover data structures and algorithms? Look at here. Collections framework is data structures and algorithms. Here I will cover 75 to 80% of the syllabus. Collections framework, I will cover 75% of syllabus of data structures and algorithms. No sir, I want more deep knowledge on data structures and algorithms. Then join a special course on data structures and algorithms by using Java. Okay, join that course by your own. But once you completed core Java from me, you no need to join that course. You can explore by your own, understand everything by your own. Okay, so this is our core Java syllabus. And extra topics, most important new features, Java 5, 6, 7 new features I am going to cover. Next, Java 8 new features, everything I am covering. Next, also now in your batch, I am focusing on Java 9, 11, 17, 21. Up to 21, everything available. All features are listed out here. Everything we are going to cover. Understand? Complete full-fledged. Start from 0 to 100% 21 new feature. Everything whatever there in Java, suitable required for your project's development, everything I am going to cover. Is it clear? So what is your job? What is your job? Array, again you are watching me. Open your mouth, man. Come on, try to speak. What is your job? Your job is just attending course or daily replying in the class. What is your job? Just attending class or replying? Replying. If you reply, you will start feeling easy. You will start feeling course easy. Otherwise, feel very, very difficult. Okay? Right. Online students, everyone have seen syllabus? You must also reply in the chat window. Don't sit silently. Okay, don't sit silently. You must use chat window actively. And don't attend online class from mobile. Attend online class by using laptop. Use laptop to attend classes so that it will be more interactive and big screen will be there, easily, clearly visible. Okay, fine. Now, this is syllabus and day-wise schedule also I have prepared. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. What to cover, how to cover, everything is scheduled. Day-wise syllabus also I prepared. Which chapter come on which day, what to cover, how much concepts cover, everything is scheduled. Only thing is, you have to start your journey. I started already. Now you have to start your journey. Are you ready for starting your journey? Ayo, again silent. Okay, right. Types of applications. Yeah, I'll upload. Yesterday I was busy with some other works. I will update everything today. Tomorrow you can do revision. Okay. Completed up to here. Now write this diagram. Yesterday we have seen the diagram. Where is that? Okay. Let me write again. I think it was deleted. What is a standalone application? Write along with me. This is your paper. Right side of your paper. What is there first? First client system will be there, or server system will be there. First server system. Write down along with me. Right side of your paper. Server system. Inside server system we have a program or a project. Anything is okay. A program or project. Then this is network. Generally, network is represented by cloud. And this computer is connected to the network. This is available internet to access. Now you opened your computer. You also connected your computer to network. Now your computer is called client or remote. Client or remote computer or remote system. Okay, and in your computer you have browser. Anything you want to access in internet, what is required? Browser is required. You open browser. This is your computer or laptop, anything is okay. Two computers are connected in the network. Now, you are trying to access this program via internet. You are trying to access this program via internet. This is called network call. Network call. Tell me, is this network call via network call accessing this application? Allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Not allowed. Then how is it allowed? It is allowed to access by a user this person has to move from his location to this computer location. Okay? And he has to access this. Okay? Now this call is called what? Local call. Within the same computer you are accessing. Okay, because this program allowed to access within the same computer, it is called standalone application. You have to write this person moving from there to here, okay? So, yeah, you should write this person also. He is called who? End user. The person who access our project from his computer is called what? End user. So this end user has to move from his local computer to server computer location. Write on that person moving also, very important. He's walking and coming. If this, it is in server system, but you are not accessing from your computer via network. That's why it is standalone. Everything there in the server is internet accessible. Everything available in the server computer is internet accessible. No, that is your wrong thought. There should be some setup has to done to that program to access through internet. Now, in my computer, I have installed something. If I provide access to you, then my computer becomes server and that program becomes internet. If I don't give access, my computer is internet server, but I am not giving access. Then that application, how to access? You have to go to the server computer. Within the server computer, you have to access. Then we call it as standalone. Because of server, that program cannot access. I have to provide access to you. For example, I deploy my website in the server, but I am not telling you the URL to access my website. Can you access? Can I access within that computer? Yes. Okay, na? Like a Google Drive. Excellent. Online students, everyone understood? Please read once again that statement. If people who completed, read this sentence once again and apply this diagram there. Read the sentence again, apply the diagram again. A program that is available in server computer and it is not accessible from remote computer via network call, and if it is allowed to access only within the same computer with a local call, is called what? Standalone application. What are the examples of this application? Calculator, CalC, VLC, MS Office, antivirus. All these are examples of standalone application. By end of this topic completed, I will ask you one question. Let's see how many people can answer. Can I proceed to next point? Everyone understand? Right. Then tell me now, what is a internet application? Can you tell me from this diagram? An application that is available in server computer. Internet means throughout the world we can access. A program that is available in server computer, and if you can able to access this program from remote computer via network, we call it as what? Internet application. Tell me, can we access internet application within the same computer also? Yes. That means this program is allowed to access within the same computer, also can be allowed to access from other computer also. Tell me the diagram. What is the diagrammatic representation of internet application? Can I copy the same diagram? What are the differences? What are the changes from there to here? Tell me. Here, network call is allowed or not allowed? Allowed. It is allowed. And tell me, is this end user required to walk all the way to the server computer to access that application? Not required. Remove it, remove it, remove it, remove it. Okay, he can, this person is different, this person is different. Let me apply different color. Oh, blue color. Let me take black color. Okay, now finding difference. Green color, let I apply. Okay, visible a green color. Right. So this person is different, this person is different. He is a remote user, he is local user. Let me write here. Remote. Remote means he never come. He is a remote user and he is a engineer. He is a local user, means within the same computer. Wherever internet computer is available, he is also available there on. 1 minute, don't write diagram. 1 minute, Ray, 1 minute. Write on this. First write notes. An application that is installed in one computer and can be accessible from other computers, means remote computers, throughout the world via network is called internet application. What are the examples? Amazon, IRCTC, Instagram, Book My Show, YouTube, Gmail, NareshIT.com, HKProgrammingWorld.com, etc. are internet applications. Online students, anytime you got question, doubt, please ask. These theory points are very, very important. Little boring, but very important. Always remember, boring concepts are very important. Okay. You all expecting Hello World program first day itself. But Hello World program to launch, before that you need to have some knowledge. Completed? Write down this diagram. While reading this sentence, you should read this diagram. First, which part? Left to right or right to left? Which direction to which direction you have to write? Client system to server or server to client? Server to client you have to write. First, server system and program. A application that is installed in one computer, server computer and application that can be accessible from remote computers. Now, remote computer, browser, arrow mark, tick. It is called standalone application or internet application? Internet application. This internet application can also be accessible within the same computer with a local user. The remote user no need to come all the way from client system to server system. Examples are your favorite, YouTube, accessing from your home, other, Insta, accessing from your system, and next, Amazon, accessing from your system. And next, Naresh IT, accessing from your system, not coming anywhere, not going anywhere. Satyavati. Which part you want to explain? Server side, client side. Network call means sending request from client via internet. It's called network call, or also called request. If you access the program within the same computer, that is called local call. Then what we call him as a local user. IA means internet application. Everyone completed? Tell me. Standalone application is multi-computer application or single computer? Internet application, multi-computer. Write down those 2 lines. A standalone application is a single computer and single user. A internet application is a multi-computer and multi-user application. What the meaning of multi-user? At a time, multiple people can access that project. That is called multi-user. You should visualize what I am saying. Only listen will not work, will not make you understand. You should also visualize. Standalone means you have to visualize calculator. Single computer means one computer. Single user means I am accessing calculator. Can other person can access at a time? No. Internet application means Amazon. Multi-computer means it is available in server. I am accessing, my friend accessing, my lover also accessing. Yes, your age is lover age, no? Okay. All people are at a time accessing. Multi-user. Okay. So multi-computer, multi-user. So you have to visualize every sentence you are reading there. You have to visualize the real-time example so that you will easily connect to the subject. This week, most of the concepts, theory and architecture we learn. Next week we are going to learn full programming. Okay? In next week you will enjoy fully. Completed up to now? Shall I ask one question? Two questions I have. Two questions. Okay? Once again, revise. What is a standalone application? An application that is installed in one computer and in the hard disk it is installed. Internet application means that is installed in one computer and accessing from other computer by installing or without installing. In one computer installed, in other computer also installed or not installed? Not installed. Without installing we are accessing. Again repeat. You install and access. What is this? Standard. Without install, access. What is this? Internet. Came to your brain? Now tell. In your system, you have browser. Na? Tell me. This browser is standalone application or internet application? Everyone. Browser is a standalone application or internet application? Again you are using your brain. Don't use. Use the notes given. What is the notes given? See, simple. If you are using your brain, you will not get answer because in your brain no answer. Na? You have to generate the answer. How can you generate the answer? By reading the sentences given. What I told? Install, access, standalone. Without installing, accessing. What? Internet. Bolo. Browser is a standalone or internet? Standalone. Standalone or internet? Come on, yaar, why you are silent? Some people are not answering. Only few people are giving answer. Am I giving any marks here? No. Am I punishing you anything? No. Then what is the problem to give answer? Freely talk, Ravi. If you are treating me as your lecturer, if you are treating it is a classroom, I am giving wrong answer, no, then you never change your mind, Babu. This is not classroom. I am not your teacher. I am here to share some knowledge. I gave you one question. What you feel, give answer. Right or wrong, doesn't matter. Come on. Standalone application or internet application? It is a standalone application. No, sir, it is internet now, sir. It is internet. It is accessing internet. I ask the second question. It is internet. It is accessing internet. Accessing internet. It is not internet. Why, sir? Array, you are accessing my browser. This browser installed in this computer. Na? This browser accessing from the same computer, another computer, same computer. Where I have installed, I am going there and I am accessing. Go back to the diagram. What is this diagram telling? I have installed the program in one computer. Who is that computer? My computer. What that program? Browser. Now, from your computer, you are the computer. From your computer, can you access my browser? No. What you have to do? All the way you have to walk and come to the server computer and access. Then tell me, then that application is what? Standalone or internet? Standalone. By using this standalone application, you are accessing internet. Understood? By using this standalone application, you are accessing internet amazon.in. Tell me, who is internet application here? Is a browser internet application or the Amazon is internet application? Amazon internet application, not a browser. Many people are having confusion. Browser is internet, browser is internet. No. Install, access, that is called what? Standalone. Without install, access, that is called what? Internet. I install the browser in my hard disk and using my computer mouse, I am double clicking on accessing. Then what is it? Standalone. Tell me. Amazon.in, I am not installing in my computer, but still I am accessing. So what is it? Internet. Got clarity here? Picture clear? Shall I ask next question? Ready to answer? Pakka? Everyone? Because only moving head. Use mouth. Yes, yes. Okay. Will you give answer? Mobile applications. Standalone or internet? Mobile applications. Standalone or internet? See, when you give answer, it is right or wrong? What else? Who knows? Yes or no? Your answer is right or wrong? Who knows, Rabbi? I know. If you give right answer, I will appreciate. If you give wrong answer, I will correct and take you to the next step. You commit a mistake now? Then next time when you're giving answer, you will consider this mistake or not? If you don't give answer, always give wrong answer only. First time you try to give answer, 100% give wrong answer. Pakka. Because you don't know what is the way to find the answer, analyze the question, find the answer, you don't know. When you started at some point of the time, definitely you will give right answer on next questions. There are two places you have to give answers. Number one, in the classroom. Number two, in the interview room. If you give answers in the interview room, first time, pakka you'll give wrong answer. There you will fail, job loss. If you give answers in the classroom, definitely give wrong answer, but I will correct. Array, that is not the right way to think. This is how you have to think. When you give answer, based on your given answer, I can analyze what is the way you consider, what is the wrong path you choose and to give answer. Then I'll pull you back to the zero and I'll say, not like that, like this you go, I'll correct. Are you following my point? If you don't give answer, sit silently. Anukunta కూర్చున్నారు అనుకోండి. Are you following my point? Both boys and girls I am talking. Okay? What do you do? Generally when question is coming, inside you are analyzing, inside you are answering, finally you get job also inside. Salary also inside. It's not like that. You have to speak out, you have to be expressive. You know, in software industry, if you want to get a job, and in software industry you want to get more position, you want more people liking you, you should be more talkative. If you are a rigid person, no sir, I am very reserved sir, I am very rigid reserved person sir, and then no one will like you, no one will give you job. In the interview room, interviewer will check how much you are proactive person, mingle with other people, because you have to work as a team, na? And in the team, when requirement is analyzation is going on, your ideas also you have to present there. If you are only sitting silently and watching that analyzation, the discussion, then next time you will not call for the team, and slowly you will be avoided, and finally you will be removed from the company. Learn speaking from here itself. I told you one question. What is that? Mobile applications are standalone or internet? What is your answer? Why standalone? Super answer you gave. Because you installed. Excellent. Because from Play Store you downloaded, install in your mobile hard disk. In the mobile ROM you install, and the application you install in your mobile, and you are accessing by using your mobile screen only, na? That means it is what? Standalone. But without internet it will not work, na sir. Browser also will not work, internet. Without internet, what is not working? Browser not working, mobile app not working, the data is not loading into the app. I asked two questions. Without internet, mobile is not, that app is not working, or the app data not loading. App data is not loading. Are you following? But app will open, na? Let me prove that. Online students, let me show you. Now this is my mobile. Okay? In my mobile I have WhatsApp. Wonderful app, right? Click on WhatsApp. Then immediately open, and all the data is showing here, right? Now I am stopping, I am closing this app. Okay? Close this up. Close. Screen is empty. Open. I'm stopping my internet. No internet. Okay? Now tell me. Still, can I open my Insta? Can I open Insta? Yes. Opened or not? Any problem to open? No. Where I open? Within my system. Okay? I have installed Insta here, and my finger mouse. This is mouse. Okay? Now go, click, open. Okay, but data is loaded or not loaded? Not loaded. Why? Because no internet connection. Now I am providing internet connection. Okay, data loaded. Are you following? And tell me, now who is internet? This app is internet or server side available data supplying application is internet? Server side available application which is supplying the data is what? Internet. All are catching my point? Now, let me show you this with a diagram. Mobile apps are also standalone. Many people are feeling mobile apps are internet. No, let me tell you the architecture. Anything you take, this is a server. Without server, there is no internet. This is server computer. In server computer, we have Insta or WhatsApp app. Let me take WhatsApp. WhatsApp app project is there. Okay, this project is nothing but what it is there. Two programs are there. Client program. Next, there are two programs are there. Client program and server program. Let me take like this. Small budget topic, sir. If this one topic come to your brain, then next classes are very easy. There are two programs are there in every project. First one is client program. Second one is server program. Why this red color? Okay, this is the project and this project contain two types of programs. Now tell me, this is your mobile. Assume this is a mobile. This is your mobile. Spelling mistake. In this mobile, you install WhatsApp app. Tell me, this WhatsApp app is client app, server app? Come on. From the Play Store, you are downloading, right? What app you downloaded? Client app or server app? Kaushiki, think. This WhatsApp app you downloaded and installed. What? Client app here. Server app, how can you download, man? Client app is downloaded. This WhatsApp app is nothing but what? Client program. And then you install. After installing, what are you doing? Kaushiki, 1 minute, I am coming. This is your text box. Okay. Okay, let me take black color. Okay, 1 minute. Then now here you selected a friend number and typed what? Hi mama. Okay. What happened? Tell me. When you type this hi, is it directly going to your friend mobile app? This is your mobile app and this is your friend mobile app. Your friend also has downloaded server app or client app? Server app you never download, only client app you download. This is the story everywhere. Any mobile app you take, the architecture, what I am saying, the same. Now tell. The moment you type hi and press enter, then this hi is going Your hi is going on staying here, na? With how many ticks? One tick, two ticks, blue ticks. One tick is there, or two ticks or whatever. That means, is this hi green tick or blue tick or whatever, okay? This hi is directly going to your friend? No. Okay? Many people are feeling it is directly going to your friend mobile. No. What is going? What is doing? This message is sent to whom? Server program. And tell me, now this server program sending the message to your friend mobile. And now that hi is displayed here. The moment your friend read hi, then now it will show blue tick on your mobile screen. Okay, now your friend sending what? Hello, hello mama, how are you? Then same story. What happened? This hello, this hello is also going to server. Then server sending the data to this client application. And understand my point? This is what happening in the mobile apps. Then tell me, in the mobile app, who is a client, who is standalone application, who is internet application? The app you installed in your computer is standalone application. It is not internet. Okay, now next, the program which is receiving your data available at the server, it is internet application. Okay, na buddy? Array, your mobile app is nothing but browser only, Ravav. Instead of you typing that link URL and everything, okay? Instead of you typing everything, what they are doing? They are only typing the URL link and placing in your mobile app. So this is a complete story about your standalone applications and internet application. Repeat. Every project contains two parts, front end and back end. Front end is called client side, client program. Back end is what? Server. When you open the browser and access into the browser, Amazon page is loaded. That Amazon page is nothing but client program. That client program is sending the data to whom? Server program. Understand? Now, in my mobile, I too have Amazon app. Look at that. This Amazon app. Open this Amazon app now. Where is this Amazon app? Yeah. Amazon app. Look at here. Compare both. This is Amazon browser app. From the browser, I access this client, this HTML page. The same HTML page is open here. Okay? Red color, red color. Okay, na? Tell me, what is the difference between laptop-wise accessing and app-wise accessing? It's very simple. Laptop-wise, you open the browser typing the URL amazon.in. Because the keyboard is big and system is big, you can type. But mobile, chota keyboard typing is very difficult, na? That's why that browser, this is a browser. This browser is simply made it as a one app and giving to you. The browser URL inbuilt will be there. So this app, whenever you plus this app, this browser, this is a small browser. It implicitly contains Amazon.in. This laptop browser is for all websites, but the app browser is only for Amazon. One browser with Amazon.in is one app. Now next, one browser with Instagram.com is Insta app. Okay, na? Next, one browser with what do you call ClickBuzz, something is there, right? ClickBuzz.in is one app. So one browser with the URL directly is an app. So what is the final discussion? Either you take browser or you take mobile app. They are standalone application. You install accessing one computer. With this standalone application, background we are accessing server, internet application. Both are separate. Don't combine and see. Write down this last sentence, very important. Write down this. Is browser standalone or internet? Is mobile app standalone or internet? Kaushiki, what is your question? Can you ask? Online students, if still you have any other doubts, confusions, you can ask. I completed my explanation here. Which WhatsApp app used as a server? That is installed in your computer or available on the internet? WhatsApp app installed in your mobile is standalone. The WhatsApp app available in the server computer, transferring the data from one mobile app to another mobile WhatsApp app is server. Clear? That's what you have to see different. I am asking the question. I didn't ask WhatsApp is a standalone or internet. I am asking WhatsApp mobile app. See the question. You are confused, combining both. Clear? Still doubter? That's what you confused. Listen, question. Write down. For example, the WhatsApp Insta app, Gmail app, YouTube app, installed in your mobile or standalone. Next, the programs or the project available at a server and sending data to display on the above apps or internet application. For sure. That's what I'm saying. Client. Without installing, you are accessing client application. That is internet. The same mobile app screen you are accessing from browser. That is HTML page downloaded from the internet. So the client side app is also internet. If you are accessing from the browser. So there are two types of internet applications are there. Client side executing and server side executing. But come to the mobile app, they are standalone because they are downloaded and installed in your system. Okay, now? I am not asking what you are seeing in the app. What you are seeing in the app is internet, the data coming from the internet application. Okay? But the application, what you install is standalone. Your mobile app is nothing but browser. When browser is standalone, mobile app is also standalone. Into browser, the data loading from internet application. Into the app, data loading is from internet application. That clarity, that separation you must see. Still you have questions? Anybody? Offline students? In this topic, anybody have questions? Everyone got clarity? Doubt? Doubter? Cleared? Pakka? Just convinced or really accepted? Not convinced? Convinced and okay, chalo. No, that chalo is college. Do you have any internal marks in my hand? If you ask more questions, will I cut the marks? No, na. Right? So here you are here for asking many questions. Until you get full clarity, visualization on the concept, you should not leave me. Ask again, different way, what the way you want. I am ready to help you to understand. Tushar, static HTML page downloading from the internet into the browser is also internet. Okay, na? That static HTML page only carrying the data from the internet, na? So that HTML page with the data coming from the internet is internet application. The app, this browser, this empty browser is a standalone. Understood? The app installed in your mobile, the empty app installed in your mobile is standalone. This skeleton body is standalone. The data loading with the HTML page into your browser is internet. Okay, na? Okay. And now with this we completed what is standalone application, what is internet application, all the details. Hope these 5 points are everyone clear. Still have any doubts? Is it clear, everyone? How many types of applications are there? 2 types. And now repeat once again all these points. What is Java? Java is a platform independent object oriented programming language. Who invented Java? Java is invented by Mr. James Gosling in Sun Microsystems. In the year 1991, released in the market in the year 1995. Why Java is invented? Java is invented for achieving platform independency for developing internet internet-based business applications or internet application. And then next 4th point, what are the differences between C, C++, Java, okay, no, Python and Java? When we have already C, C++, Python, why Java is invented? Python first invented or Java first invented? Python first invented in the 1980s to invention is, development is involved in 1980s and final first version released in the market in the year 1991. Okay, but Python is not suitable for developing applications. It is suitable for developing mathematical based small mathematical calculations and game applications. This Python is invented from the game application development. If you read the history of Python, you will come to know. Okay, right. Next, fifth point, you have to learn types of applications. We have two types of applications: standalone application and internet application. When I explain only standalone internet, everybody has clarity. But when I ask the question, browser and mobile application, people are having confusion. So browser, the skeleton, empty software is standalone. The mobile app, the empty application open in your mobile screen is what? Standalone. The data carrying from the internet into your mobile app, that HTML page, is what? Internet application. So hope you all comfortable with all these points, right? Then Monday, tomorrow is holiday. Monday we are going to learn the next very important points, which will take you to your application development. So the first one is platform dependent, platform independent, and C++ languages are platform dependent. How Java achieved platform independency, and most important topic, important facts on Java program and Java software. Okay, these points we will start learning from Monday. So next week, our target is completing all these topics and also entering into logical programming. Okay, clear? So next week we will have little, I'm expecting more involvement. So 1 week completed, 5 days completed. All the people are, understanding what is Java, understanding what is Hari Krishna, what is my way of learning, and the new words, new terminology. Okay, like that slowly we went. So Monday onwards, you should be more active in the class. Okay, now, right? So Monday also you can continue the class without doing the payment, because until first program completed, I will give you demo classes. Demo class means not time pass classes. Demo class means you are still in a dilemma to take admission or not, that doubt. So until first program development completed and you got confidence on Java, then you can do the payment and continue the course. So first you decide yourself, are you suitable to Java or not? Are you suitable to continue in my batch or not? Am I eligible to teach you or not? That is also important. No? So am I at your level of teaching or not? You should first of all judge it. For that, you continue the demo classes, no need to do any payment. Okay, after you decided, yes, Hari Krishna is teaching well, he can make me software engineer. After you got that confidence, you can do the payment. Okay, clear? Monday also continue without doing payment, no problem. Okay, thank you. That's all for today class. See you all Monday. Happy weekend. Can I expect tomorrow will you all revise and come? All these 5 topics plus earlier topics. Okay, thank you. 5 days classes, all are available in YouTube. If you want to follow, you can follow them. Naresh IT. Yeah. Go to YouTube, search Naresh IT. Okay. Samarath. One. Samarath. Please contact the class admin, Rajeshwari. Yeah, tomorrow is holiday, Deeps. Tomorrow is holiday. Next class is on Monday. Aman Singh, I said I will teach you these points when Monday class, na? What is platform independency? What is object-oriented programming? These points will come on Monday. Okay. Thank you, everyone.